In this video, I'll show you how to add a border to your video using CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on New Project. Next, select the video you want to add a border to from your gallery. After selecting your video, tap on Add to import it into the timeline. Once your video has been added, make sure it is not currently selected. If it looks highlighted or selected, simply tap the arrow icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, swipe left through the menu at the bottom until you see an option called Background. Tap on Background to open up customization options. In this section, tap on Color to pick a shade for your border. When you've made your choice, confirm it by tapping the check mark in the bottom right corner. With your background color set, it's time to focus on your video. Tap on your video clip again to adjust its size and create the border effect. Use a pinch gesture, pinch inward or outward, to resize the video within the frame. As you make adjustments, pay attention to how much of the colored background is showing around your video. This visible area will serve as your border. Once you're happy with the way your bordered video looks, you can move on and continue editing any other parts of your project as needed.